past video where I ran the loop trail, I nearly tore off my upper control arm bracket. So in this video, we're going to reattach it and test it out. So you can see here, the mount is tore up off. So I'm going to unbolt the upper control arm and push it out of the way, and I'm also going to unbolt the track bar and drop it out of the way. The upper control arm mount was hanging on by a thread, and I was able to tear it off by hand. So first I'm going to clean all the old welds off the mount and get it formed to the axle. Then I'm going to clean up the front axle tube. Get the bracket cut off. And I've been spending a lot of time trying to get it formed on the inside to fit good on this axle. So I am freaking blind, and one mistake I made last time when trying to weld that bracket on is I didn't wear my reading glasses. See good far away, but up close I cannot see worth a darn, and I actually laid a bead of weld where I didn't need a bead of weld and totally missed what I was trying to weld. So personally, I have to wear my glasses to be able to see the weld, and I have also gotten slag in my ear, and I heard it sizzle out in my eardrum, or at least my ear canal, and that kind of smarts, so I put in earplugs. So this is actually the second time I've had to weld this mount on. I've replaced it before. I guess I just didn't weld it on very good last time. I intended to truss the front diff, but I ordered a kit and it's taking too long to get here, and I have a wheeling trip coming up, so I went ahead and just repaired what I had. So I got it all welded up, so it's time to go run around the block and test it out. I've taken it out a few times since I fixed it, and I'd say it's held up pretty good. It's too bad I gotta cut it back off to install that truss kit. But you'll see me install that truss kit in a later video. Thanks for watching.